It's very important when you are getting quotations for delivery costs, whether you are having garbage removed from your property or you're having material delivered. You need to make a point of telling them what floor your actual apartment, or rather where the construction is going to be, because oftentimes they will give you a quotation to deliver to your doorstep, but then when they get there they realize that the actual location is 4 floors up and there's no elevator. Each one of these bags weighs over 100 pounds. So can you imagine having to walk up 4 flights of stairs? Sometimes when you get quotation for garbage or construction removal, they will charge you by the bag. For example, these bags here, each one can handle more than 50 pounds. So think about that.